Oh, okay, yeah. Someone get a stick.
Perfect. She's going right for her.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh shit, dude.
Cicada. Threw a cicada in there.
What? It's still twittering? Oh my god. I'm so excited.
Got like into the base of his neck all the way. Ripped right through his wing, man. Ugh.
Kicking, wow. That's crazy.
It's nice. It's a nice little roll ride right there.
That was some awesome shit.
What did she do? Did
She like grabbed him
Well,
and
as soon
started
as
going around in a circle.
Well, she was on top of him, and then she didn't know if he was dead or if and then he moved a little bit, and she's really jumped on him, and then he's like, he started making that sound. That was the fucking shit right there.
And then she just started spinning around in a circle.
She did?
Yeah.